So what is up guys, it's Scarlette here, and in this video, as you may have read on the title, this video is going to be about how to customize your iOS 14 home screen. So yon. So if you want to learn how to do just that, then keep on watching! So before anything else, I do want to apologize if my video quality is a bit different than usual because I'm using my mom's phone and kasi syempre kailangan ko yung cellphone ko para magpakita sa inyo kung paano ko ma-customize ang aking iOS 14 home screen. So yon. So as you can tell from my home screen, this is my home screen. So how can we update this? So first, what I wanted to do right now is just completely change my wallpaper. Kasi ewan ko, feeling ko it's time to change na rin. So yon. So let's download a black wallpaper. Set both. So ayun. So medyo malinis na siya, which is really nice. So ayun. When it comes to the widgets, yung squares and rectangles na nakikita nyo dun sa updates, what you want to download on your phone is the app called Widgetsmith. So this is what the app looks like. So basically, ito siya yung bagong update niya. So yon. Ewan ko kung bakit hindi pa nila to sinama dun sa update, but kailangan pa siyang i-download. As you can tell, I've been trying out some new stuff. Tinatry ko na siya simula kaninang umaga pa. So, there are 3 sizes. Let me just show you what those sizes are. There are small widgets, medium widgets, and the large widgets. So, basically, the small widgets is a 2x2. And then, let's add another widget. So, this is the medium widget. Okay, medyo napupuno na siya. Let's add the large one. So, basically, these are the 3 sizes that you can go. So, basically, how to customize your widgets nga ba? Let's go into the video now. In order to customize, you're just gonna add, depending on what you want, the size of it. Pero ako, I'd go for the small one. So, small sizes nila, they have the date, the day. You can also add photos, reminders, and they also have locked ones. And yung mga nakalock na yan is basically kailangan mong bayaran. But you know me, we're not gonna pay for it. Ang mahal, tignan mo yan, 1,050. No, sorry, next. So, yon. Gusto ko madagdag muna first is the date. So let's add a date. You can also change the font size for this. So I'm okay with the font na, but we can also go for a more New York. Okay, let's try the New York one. Cute by New York. Okay, so sa tint color naman you can also change the colors. Pero for me, I'm okay with the white. Oh wait, there are gray. Okay, let's try the gray one. So yon, let's just save that. You can also rename the widget. And then, okay, so let me just try to add more widgets that I'm planning to add. So these are the photos that I could add. So, I like this one. Let's add this one, Oh, I like this one as well. But I don't know if we can add that kasi nga pahaba siya. And they don't have a widget size for that. So, I don't know. So photos, let's select one. I want to add this one. So we just select it. And then let's name it into forest because I like forest. So save. So we can also delete this because I don't like that. I don't like this as well. Let's delete this. So yan, so makikita niyo na kagad yung parang theme ng wallpaper ng magiging home screen ko. Okay. Okay, so that took a few minutes, but we're here. Medyo nababother ako kasi may istorbong Netflix and I do not want you there. But I don't know where to put you, so I just put you there. So ayun, so ito yung kinalabasan. I do hope that you like it. So that's about it for this video. I do hope that you've learned something from this video. So ayun. And if you did like this video, leave a like, comment down below what you think, and subscribe to my channel. That is the end of the video. Bye-bye!